Okay guys, yesterday I done the windows on the canopy, which they came up pretty well. Today's agenda will be, this is a complete kit that I've brought from Kings. So I've got to set them up. I've got an AGM battery there ready to go. Now, I've just got to watch these wiring. Went down, brought all the fittings and everything for it. I have a question, and I hope Kings are watching. I've got to extend these 200mm if I want it to go through that grommet and connect into there. So my question is, wouldn't it be easier to sell this with them already 200mm long, with the connections on the end? Because it's easier to cut something off than what it is to join it together. And for an extra 10 bucks coming out of China or wherever these are made, doesn't say, yeah, China, made in China. So for the extra 5 bucks to do that would make life so much easier for us trying to put these things together, rather than having to go down to Super Cheap Autos or somebody like that and buy all this crap. Anyway, let's get it going. So I'll get that together, and my plan is to mount it just on that back wall there. Let's get to work. So a couple of frustrating trips downtown to get the right parts for this power system. I'll just turn it around and show. So it's been a couple of hours, and I've finally got it to the point where it should be when you buy it. I've got this screwed on. I just used some button screws, and what I did on the other side, trick of the trade, I just put some heat shrinks on the end of it, so any wires rub on that whatsoever will be right. All my wires have been extended to where I wanted them to go, and pretty much still got heaps to go. Righto, it's been a whole day session to get this done, and it's finally done, except for one thing. I'll show you. I have not set up the battery box because I'm going to put a water tank across the back, and that particular battery box is too wide to fit up in that corner. But the whole system's wired up, and I haven't had a chance to do anything. So everything's in there. Here's me battery box wires. They're all connected, plus the heat sensor wire. That's all ready to go. So as soon as I get another battery box, which will be tomorrow, I reckon, I can actually power everything up. Now, word of warning, do not do that. That's from the heating iron. Whenever you're playing with hot shit, just be careful. It hurts. Righto guys, I've just temporarily hooked up the battery, and everything seems to be working well. Plugged my fridge in. Not sure if you can see that. Well, that's what the temperature is inside the fridge at the moment. So it all seems to be go, go, go. Let's see how that battery goes all night, and if I can't start the car, something's fucking wrong.